everybody, it's your girl Candace coming to you with another video. Today I will be doing a revamp of my family room slash bonus room. Here guys, we come in and we kind of hang out, watch TV and things like that. The family usually congregates here. We don't have any rhyme or reason to what's going on in here. So I'm gonna try to kind of revamp everything here. You guys just stay tuned. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video. For more videos, go ahead and like. All right, go ahead and subscribe. All right, you guys just stay tuned. So guys, the first thing to do when you're revamping your space is to declutter and get everything that's unwanted out of the room. Just remember, when you declutter your space, you open up your mind for more creativity. Alright guys, so pretty much I have everything cleaned out the space, everything that I'm going to keep in here, and I think this looks a whole lot better. I really couldn't get rid of my office space because this is the only place I really have to put it. So this is pretty much the product of it being cleaned out. Now here in this space guys, I do have another entertainment system I'm going to put together. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done and go ahead and vacuum out once I'm done with that. You guys just stay tuned. Right here I have a damp cloth and I have some carpet cleaner with a little bit of water mixed in. And what I'm going to do is dampen that, kind of get that damp, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and start wiping down my couch a little bit, spots that I might see, just pretty much spot clean, you know, and then I'll get those vacuumed out a little bit better. I just like to wipe it down for some freshness.
Hey.
stuff, and everything is pretty much clean, wiped down. Everything looks cohesive. I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing things back into the space. I got a few pictures I want to put on the wall, and I have some just trinkets, I guess, to bring in the space to make it look fresh and homey. So I'll go ahead and start doing that. You guys should stay tuned. Okay? Overview of the space, and I'm going to walk through and show you guys what I've done with the space. I want it to stay light and simple like this. I think it's easier to clean and keep up with if it's more light and more simple. So here first is this sectional. I got this sectional for rooms to go. Very nice sectional, really comfy. It's kind of more of a, how can I say it? It's more firm, I would say. It's more for sitting and watching. It's not more for lounging and laying around. You can lounge and put your feet up, however, because there's 2 recliners here, 1 recliner here on the end, so you can prop your feet up and relax. So they are nice. And then this one right here rolls out like a bed. And I did get that from Rooms to Go again, guys. Now here on the floor, this rug came from Overstock. It's a Safavia rug. It's a 8x10. I think it might have cost me around 200 bucks if I'm not mistaken, but these are some good rugs and they last a long time and are easy to clean with a carpet cleaner also. So really good rug. I really enjoy the rug. It's really soft and really plush. Now on the couch, I got this little home pillow from Walmart. The 2 cream pillows on the ends, I got those from, I guess, Craigslist years ago or something. And I just kept them, so I just threw them on the couch here. And then I got these shimmery pillows. Let me give you guys a closer view of the pillows. They're really shimmery. You see that? Really cute and shimmery. I got those pillows from Home Goods. So as you guys know, it's going to be something in here from Home Goods. You know it. Now let's move on here. This throw right here, I got it from a place called Roses. This throw was $6. I like it because it has fleece to it. And it's just easier to throw in the wash. And I kind of kept into the gray and bluish kind of theme. I really don't know what the theme in here is, but I just, you know, just went with simple colors. Something simple and light. Now, let's walk around here, guys, and see what's on this little table. So this table here, I got this from Home Goods a few years back. This flower sitting on top came from Marshall's. And then this lamp came from a place called Roses also. I think the lamp was like $24.99. Now let's move around. This bookcase came from Walmart, of course. Here is just some trinkets I have in here, like pictures, photos, and stuff like that of family members that I haven't put out yet. And then I have these 2 bins. One is for my godson's toys, and the other one is trinkets also. Now up top, I got this blessed sign from, what is that place? Burlington Coat Factory. Y'all, sometimes I have to think about these places because I go so many places, but Burlington Coat Factory is where I got that. Now, the reflective mirror planter here with the flower, I got that from Home Goods. And then here, this diffuser, I used that. That is a gift from my husband for the holidays. So I think he got that for me for Christmas. And then this little lamp. Everybody knows this lamp from the dollar store. Don't act like y'all don't have the Sunbeam. Yeah, don't act like y'all don't have this sunbeam. Moving on, this right here I got from Kirkland's. I don't particularly like it in the space because I don't like the gold specs here, but I'm gonna find something else to put in this place. Old desktop computer, we barely use it, but it's here in case we need it. Normally I just bring my laptop in here and sit it here. This vanity came from IKEA. I've had it about 5, maybe a little bit over 10 years, I can say. I'm saying 5 because I have like 3 in the house. But I think this is my oldest one because it has scratches on it. So I got this one from IKEA. And pretty much what's in here is just, let me slide the chair back, Lord. Pretty much what's in here is just office supplies, pretty much. Sheet protectors, stuff that the kids need, crayons, all that good stuff. And then in the next drawer, I still got stuff on the floor down here. But in the next drawer here, junk, paper. I didn't even think to clean this out, guys. I don't even know what this stuff is. Most of it is my kids' stuff. Pencils and pens and all that good stuff. Coloring books. So, yeah, that looks like another thing I need to organize. So, I guess I'll be organizing that. Now, only thing else I have on here is just this little thing that says Girl Boss. I guess I'm going to find some stuff to put up here for my office area. I just have not worked that out yet. I'll probably do a video, an office video, just to show you guys how I organize this area. So pretty much that's this area. Then I'm going to scroll around. Now here in this door is a laundry closet. I'm not ready to show you guys that yet because it's a disaster. All right, so moving along, I have these on the wall. These were DIYs. Me and my daughter, we tried. I put it on the wall because she tried her best. So I'm like, you know what? We're going to put these on the wall for my baby. We're going to find something eventually to put up here. But for now, we're just going to let this hang. We're going to let it roll. She did a good job. All right, so moving along here is the TV area. We don't have a huge TV right here. We have the bigger TV in our bedroom, which is weird. Don't judge us. Don't judge us. But anyway, I guess because we're in there the most. So in this area, pretty much what I have here is a plant, the TV, and the stand. And I have that cute little, what is that? That cute little plant in the box there. And then pretty much just another little plant that I'm training to live on the other side. The more I sit right here, I feel like this needs to be slid over. It's giving my OCD or my OC, whatever you call it, is not working here. All right, so that's better. Slide the thing over. And then here is pretty much, you know, family pictures. I'm going to put some more things down. I just have to buy a few things to sit there. Down in this little family thing, I'm going to keep the remotes and things like that. All right, so that's an overview of my TV area. So pretty much, guys, it's just simple. This is the overview again of my family room area. Did not want to forget this part. Remember to always put your curtains to the ceiling. I have learned that the curtains make your room look a whole lot bigger. This room is not that huge, but let's move back. If those curtains weren't to the ceiling and they were really short, it will make the room look a whole lot shorter. Do you guys see that? See, if the curtains were down here, the room would look shorter, but because they're up high, the curtains look taller. Oh, and those curtains also, guys, I got those curtains from Home Goods. I just grabbed two panels and put them to the side because I never close my curtains anyway. I always leave them open. I just close the blinds. So guys, I hope you really like this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.
Have a blessed day.